children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, I hope you all have completed till exercise 9.5. So you go through all the chapters, children. I revised addition, subtraction and all. You go through that sums and all. Okay, children. Okay, today what I'm going to do, I'm going to revise the word sums. So what are the word sums I'm revising? What you have to do, you have to go through. You have to go through in the from that sum I will be asking 3 sums. Okay, children. So first we'll see first sum. Robert mowed 1/4 of his lawn on Monday and 1/4 of it on Tuesday. What fraction of the lawn did he mow on these 2 days? Okay, children. So on Monday also he mowed 1/4 and on Tuesday also 1/4. So what is the total place he mowed? You have to find out. So see, Monday 1/4 and Tuesday 1/4. Spellings Monday and Tuesday is given in the question itself. So you have to write correctly. Don't write wrong. So on these 2 days, what? 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay, so what you have to do? The denominator you should not change. The denominator you have to put as it is. The denominator you have to put as it is. So 1 plus 1, 2. Only you have to add the numerator. Only you have to add the numerator. 1 plus 1, 2. So by 4. You should not write 4 plus 4, 8. You should not write 8. Understood, children? You have to write as it is 2/4. So this 2/4, this 2 numerator and the denominator will be going in the same table. You can again you can divide. So see, 2/4 divided by 2/2. See, same table. If doesn't goes in same table, you have to write as it is. But it goes in same table. So what answer? 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So what's the answer? 1/2. What's the answer, children? 1/2. See, another way, easy method. 1/4 means what I have said? Kal in Tamil, isn't it, children? Here also kal. So kal plus kal means what? Ara. See, that is only half. 1/2 means half. Okay, children? Understood? Okay, I will see the second sum. Tina had a ribbon 2/5 meter long. Maya had a ribbon 3/5 meter long. So Tina had how many meters long? 2/5, and Maya had ribbon 3/5 meter long. If both the ribbons are joined, what would be the total length? So if you join these 2 meter, how much length you have to find out? Okay, children. So Tina had a ribbon 2/5 meter long, and Maya had a ribbon 3/5 meter long. So total length what, children? 2/5 plus 3/5. What I have said in the first sum itself, you should add only the numerator and not the denominator. So 2 plus 3, what will come? 2 plus 3/5, what will come, children? 5/5. So when you divide in this, what will come? Answer is 1. 5/5 means a whole. So 1. So total length is 1 meter long. So total length is 1 meter long. Easy, isn't it, children? So these 2 sums you go through in the fraction, and then we will see the third sum. Okay. Rita's house is 3 kilometer 750 meter from her school. Recently only we did this sum, isn't it, children? Okay. Rita's house is 3 kilometer 750 meter from her school. On Monday, the school bus broke down after 3 kilometer 695 meter. How much distance is left for the bus to cover? So you have to find out. So Rita's house is 3 kilometer 750 meter from school. Isn't it, children? Yes. Bus broke down after 3 kilometer 695 meter. So what you have to do, children? You have to subtract. What you have to do, children? You have to subtract. So 3 kilometer 750 meter and 3 kilometer 695 meter. You have to subtract. What you have to do? You can't count is from 5. Can you count to 0? No. So what you have to do? You have to borrow. So if you borrow, what will come? 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. So when we count from 5 to 10 minus 5, what children? 5. And then 4 minus 9 you can't say, isn't it children? So what you have to do? You have to borrow from 7. So this 7 becomes 6 and this 4 becomes 14. So when 14 minus 9, what children? 5. So 6 minus 6, 0. So how much distance the bus to cover to their home is what? 55 meter. What's the answer children? 55 meter. So 55 meter distance is left for the bus to cover. Okay children, understood? Be thorough. I won't send in WhatsApp. You have to see the YouTube and you have to revise. That's all. Okay children? Okay, we'll see the next sum. Mother joined strings of length 2 meter 5 centimeter, 1 meter 80 centimeter and 1 meter 95 centimeter to make a long string. To make a long string, she's using this centimeter and 2 meter 5 centimeter one string, another 1 meter 80 centimeter and another 1 meter 95 centimeter. So when we add these three, what we get the total length we have to find out. So what is the length of the string she made? So mother joined the strings of length, what children? 2 meter 5 centimeter, 1 meter 80 centimeter, 1 meter 95 centimeter. Here and all 2 digit has given, but here only 1 digit. Can you see here children? Only 5 is there. If you write 5 in the 0 place means the sum will be wrong. Always you have to start from the ones place. You have to start from the ones place. So when we write, if you have to write in the 5 in the ones place and see this tens place will be blank. So I am writing 0. So if you put 0, no problem. Okay children. So because to avoid confusion, when you write the sum, if there is no number means you will mistakenly you will write wrong. So only I am writing like this. Okay children. So 5 plus 5 what? 10. So carry over I have bought here. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9 what children? 18. So 8 I have written and 1 carry over I have bought here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So total length how much children? 5 meter 80 centimeter. So what's the answer? The length of the string she made is 5 meter 80 centimeter. Okay children, till now we have revised 4 sums. So 2 more sum we will revise. Okay. This also in the last class only we revised, isn't it children? If you have copied down means it will be easy for you. Aman drank 250 ml water and Rohit drank 175 ml water. How much water in all did they drink? So Aman has drank how much milliliter? 250 milliliter and Rohit drank water how much milliliter? 175 milliliter. So totally both of them how much milliliter they drank you have to find out. So 0 plus 5, 5. You have to add only because total only they have asked. 5 plus 7, 12. So 2 you have to put here and carry over here. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So total how much milliliter they drank children? 425. So they both drank 425 milliliter of water. Okay children, are you thorough? A very easy sums only I have asked. I didn't ask the hard sums. So you have to write on your own. Okay children? Okay. The last sum we'll see. From 1 liter of milk, grandfather gave 350 ml milk to the dog and 175 milliliter milk to the cat. How much milk was left? See, the grandfather total is having 1 liter of water, 1 liter of milk, and from that 1 liter milk, he gave 350 ml to dog. And from the 1 liter, he gave 175 milliliter milk to the cat. Okay, children. So, how much was left? So, if you add this one, what milliliter came, you have to subtract from the 1 liter. Okay, children. So total milk grandfather had is 1 liter. And he gave milk to the dog. How much milliliter? 350 milliliter. This is in liter and this is in milliliter. Okay, children, you have to be careful while writing. So he gave milk to the cat. How much milliliter? 175 milliliter. So what you have to do, children? First you have to add. First you have to add. I forgot to put the addition symbol. First what you have to do, children? You have to add. If you add means 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Carry over you have to bring here. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So total what comes, children? 525 ml. So the dog and the cat drank milk. How much milliliter total? 525 milliliter. So this 525 milliliter you have to subtract in the 1 liter. So you can't subtract directly because it's in liter and it's in milliliter. So what you have to do, children? 1 liter is equal to, you have to convert into milliliter. This liter you have to convert into milliliter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So when you put 1000 and you have to subtract this number 525. So see, all in zeros. So isn't it what you have to? So you have to start from here. From 1 you have to borrow here. This 0 will become 10 and then only you have to borrow. So from this 10 if you borrow, this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. And then at the last from this 10 you have to borrow. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. So when you borrow 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. So total how much milliliter has been left, children? 475 milliliter milk was left. 475 milliliter of milk was left. And the last sum, I will revise this one. A 200 ml bottle of sauce was bought for a party. 10 children shared the sauce equally. How much sauce did each child get? Okay. Sauce bought for a party. So, how much ml they bought for the party, children? 200 ml. This 200 ml is shared by how much children? How many children? 10 children. They have shared this 200 ml sauce equally among how many children? 10 children. So, then each child, how much they got, how much ml of sauce they got, you have to find out. So what you have to do, children? You have to divide. If you divide only, you can find the answer. So when you divide 200 ml divided by 10, what's the answer, children? Can you see here? 200 divided by 10, what's the answer? 20. 20 tens are 200. 20 tens are 200. So, each child got 20 ml of sauce. So each child got 20 ml of sauce. Okay, children. So if you don't know to divide, see if you can answer, see you can write like this. 20 into 10 you have to put like this. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here also 1 zeros are 0. Here automatically you have to put here. 1, 2 is 2. Understood, children? Okay, answer came. You should not get confused. Okay, children. So, children, I have revised how many sums, children? I have revised 5 sums, I think. Isn't it? 5 sums 6 sums I have revised. So from 6 sums, what you have to do, children? In the fraction sum, 2 sum I have revised. And then in this one, I have revised 2 sums, isn't it? Yes, here 2 sums. 4 sums I have revised in the 9.3 and in the 9.5, 3 sums. So totally 7 sums I have revised. How many sums I have revised, children? 7 sums. From that 7 sums, I will be asking 3 sums. Understood, children? So it will be very useful for you, I think. So don't avoid this YouTube class. You go through this one so that it will be very easy for you. Okay, children? We'll see in the next class. Take care. Thank you. Bye.